Tyler, do you know of an easy way to get to the airport? I'm flying home for the holidays.
Why don't you take the bus, Sylvia? That's what I always do when I fly.
Okay, I don't know anything about the bus service here.
Well, let me ask you, have you ever heard of JPS?
No, not until now. Is that a bus line?
Yes, it is. It will take you straight to your terminal at Delhi.
That sounds like what I need. Do you know how much it costs?
The last time I took it, it was rupees 30 for one way. Let me see if I have their card in my wallet. Yeah, here it is. You should call 0989945257 to reserve a seat.
So do I have to make a reservation?
No, you don't have to, you know. But it's better if you do. That way you can make sure you've got a seat. They're pretty crowded at times, especially around holiday.
I think you said 0989945257, right? I'll give them a call when I get home. Thanks a lot, Tyler. What does Sylvia ask Tyler? A. If he is going home for the upcoming holidays. B. If he knows of a simple way to go to the airport. C. If he knows someone who can take her to the airport.
How does Tyler go to the airport when he flies? A. By car. B. By bus. C. By taxi.
How much did it cost Tyler to take the JPS? A. Rupees 13 for one-way trip. B. Rupees 13 for round trip. C. Rupees 30 for one-way trip.
What does Tyler look for? A. A wallet. B. A telephone. C. A business card.
Why does Tyler say Sylvia should make a reservation? A. Seats go quickly. B. The trip is speedy. C. The scenery is pretty.